How to fix Gmail account not receiving emails. In this video guys, we will talk about the solution of this problem on your Gmail. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and then you have to go right now directly to apps option. You will find this big list. You have to search here just for Gmail. Open Gmail when you found it, and here go to storage option. Then go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK. And now you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next guys? You have now to go to Play Store and you have to update your Gmail. After this, your Gmail will, all your problems will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.